This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 10 Pro with a Kirin 970 and 6 gigs of RAM versus the iPhone X or the iPhone 10, A11 Bionic chip, 3 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background. So let's get started with the phone app. Ooh, another close one. The camera. Another close one again. Pretty good matchup so far. Play Store and the App Store respectively. Give that to the Mate 10. Let's choose Lyft. I'm gonna search for this on the iPhone and leave it on this page. eBay on both phones. And give that to the Mate 10. Click on this laptop by Alienware and leave it on this page. Amazon Shopping. And give that to the Mate 10. Click on this deal of the day and leave it there. Adobe Acrobat Reader. iPhone 10 a little ahead on that one. Speed test app. And give this one to the 10. Check to make sure we're on the same server. And we are. And run a speed test on the iPhone 10. Mario Run. Let's see which one's ahead. And the Mate 10, slightly faster on this one. We'll tap to begin on both. And we'll stop the game right here. Angry Birds 2. Both are starting up, logging in. And which one will jump out ahead? Oh, fairly close. And the iPhone 10 is a little ahead here. But the Mate 10 Pro is not too far behind. Very nice. Subway Surf. Both are loading. And the iPhone 10 a little bit ahead. We'll tap to play on both. And leave it on that. Temple Run 2. Both are loading this game. Which one will jump out in front? We have the iPhone 10 a little bit ahead here. Mate 10 right on its heels. We'll tap to play on both. And just leave it. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And it looks like we have the Mate 10 out in front here by a tad. Actually, pretty much a tie. Can't really tell which one's ahead. Twitter on both phones. And give this to the Mate 10. And Snapchat. The Mate 10 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both devices. As you can see, everything's in the background. We'll start with Twitter. Still in RAM. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both phones. Subway Surf. Also ready to resume. Very nice. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue. Nice. Super Mario Run.
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Ready to go. Speed test app. Ready for another speed test. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Ready to go, still in RAM. Amazon Shopping. Right on that Quicken page. Very nice. eBay on both phones. Right on that Alienware laptop. Ready to go. The App Store and the Play Store, respectively. Right on that Lyft app, ready to download. The clock on both phones. There you go, ready to take time. Calculator. Still in RAM. The camera on both phones. Ready to go for your pics. Messaging app. Ready to text. Ooh, I think that was a little reload on the 10. And the phone app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your brand new iPhone 10 with this brand new design with a notch up top? Or do you like Huawei phones such as the Mate 10 or the Mate 10 Pro, P10, etc.? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.